Since old days, various plants which have rich source of medicines are used for curing many diseases. Ayurveda and other literature have claimed the different medicinal properties against certain serious diseases. Various research have been conducted in last decades on different medicinal plants. The present review highlighted the potentiality of different medicinal properties of Morus species, that is Morus alba, Morus nigra, Morus serrata, Morus flavigata, etc. One of the most useful plants in Chinese herbal medicine is the white mulberry plant, that is Morus alba. Since ancient times, the Chinese have used this plant for raising silkworms, which utilize the tree leaves as their main source of food. Chinese medical practitioners have used several parts of this plant for centuries to treat various health conditions. The Chinese term for the mulberry plant is sang. The plant pots used in Chinese herbology include the fruits, leaves, root bark. Additionally, the silkworm fecal matter created after the worms have eaten the leaves is the important medicine derived from this plant. Each of the plant pot has unique characteristics and diverse therapeutic uses. Mulberry fruit is well known as a good source of anthocyanins with many biological activities. However, there are several colors of mulberry fruits even from the same species which may generate different amount of anthocyanins. This study investigates anthocyanin content and antioxidant levels as well as the tyrosine inhibition activity in the extract from the various colors of Morus fruit, that is Morus alba. Mulberry is a deep rooted perennial plant with highly branching root and shoot systems. Mulberry belongs to the family Moraceae. In Japan, more than 1000 varieties are stored, and in India at the CSRTA Mysore and KSRDA Bangalore there are about 1200 mulberry varieties, of which 85 are indigenous, 114 are exotic origin. Some of the important medicinal values of mulberry plants are: it contains different chemicals of medicinal values in leaf, fruit, stem and root portions. Mulberry can grow both in tropics and in the temperate regions. It can be cultivated in different soil types. It can be raised both in rain-fed and irrigated conditions. Mulberry cultivation and sericulture have been practiced for a very long time, but in the past mulberry was cultivated more for its medicinal values than for rearing the silkworms alone. Medicinal values of mulberry leaf. Mulberry leaves contain variety of chemical such as phenylalanine, leucine, valine, tyrosine, proline, alanine, glutamic acid, glycine, serine, arginine, aspartic acid, ascorbic acid, carotene, vitamin B, folic acid, etc. Mulberry leaves have been found effective in lowering the blood sugar level and arterial pressure. High performance liquid chromatography reveals the presence of aromatic amino acids in the leaves of Morus alba. Various biogenic amines are detected at picograms level, which include dopamine dihydroxyphenyl acetic acid, hydroxyphenyl acetic acid, that is LDOPA. Dopamine is found at high concentration, that is 54.37 mg per gram dry powder. These are also used in goggle for curing the throat inflammation. Moreover, the aqueous and alkali extract of mulberry leaves are active against gram positive bacteria and yeast. Some rural people as food because of being highly nutritious also use mulberry leaves. Several compounds of calcium, phosphorus, silicon, manganese, magnesium, iron, copper, zinc and vitamins are found in abundance in mulberry leaves. Medicinal value of mulberry fruit. The fruit of mulberry is a multiple one, is all the flower of the inflorescence give rise to a single fruit. The fruit is green but changes to purplish through various shades of pink, red, brown, etc. due to certain water contained in the juice. It is also good for brain, heart, spleen and helps curing diarrhea and intestinal ulcer. It is considered as a laxative and oral juice administration, good drink during convalescence after febrile illness. Mulberry fruit is well known as a steamed dessert fruit and having high source of vitamin C, which is commonly used for the jams, jelly, cooling beverages and wines. The fruit has special taste and attract women who are in their family way. This is due to vitamin C, which gives a sour taste and makes them chew the fruit repeatedly. It contains moisture 85%, protein 0.7%, fats 0.4%, carbohydrate 12.2%, calcium 80 mg, phosphorus 20 mg, iron 26 mg, carotene, vitamin and thiamine also present in mulberry fruits. Besides these, it contains malic acid, citric acid, pectin, mucilage and coloring matter. Extract of fruits of Morus flavigata contains high concentration hydroxyproline. Medicinal value of stem. Among the various substances extracted from mulberry shoots, polyphenols or its derivatives have been seen to increase the fur growth in rabbits and sheep. Some of the polysaccharides including pectin and glucose are used in cosmetics for making hair and skin supplies, while diverse use of mulberry shoots have been demonstrated by various studies. Wood contain tannin. Extract prepared from wood tannin content is 0.3% that is suitable for tanning and coloring purpose, and bark is used as a purgative and vermifuge. Mulberry, being a member of Moraceae, which is specialized for their latex producing capacity, has the property of healing the wounds and injuries. It can be used as a dermal ointment. Medicinal value of mulberry root. Mulberry is a deep rooted perennial plant. Its root system is very well developed through the growth and spread of the root depending upon the texture of the soil. The root shows the same structure as in other dicotyledonous. The bark of the root is bitter and possesses catheteric and antihelmintic and stringent properties. It is also used as a restorative tonic and as remedy for nervous disorders in China. An alkaloid DNJ has been extracted from the root bark of the black mulberry, that is Morus nigra, which resembles glucose and interferes with the synthesis of sugar chains. Mulberry root juice has the capacity of agglutinating the blood. The medicine prepared from the root is called glucosidae, which can be administered to the patient suffering from high blood pressure. Mulberry leaves have long been used in Chinese medicine for the prevention and treatment of diabetes, because as we know, they contain chemical compounds that suppress high blood sugar levels, that is hyperglycemia following a carbohydrate rich meal. Controlling blood sugar, that is glucose level, is vitally important. When these levels rise sharply as they do other ingestion foods with a high glycemic index such as potatoes or sweets, the body responds by producing more insulin to deal with the overload. But if this demand for more insulin occurs too strongly too often, the ability of the pancreas to produce enough insulin may become impaired and our cells may become resistant to insulin as it tries to do its job of facilitating glucose transport through the cell walls. The result is insulin resistance, a dangerous condition that, it unchecked, leads to type 2 diabetes. Its primary causes is obesity. There are some chemicals in white mulberry that work in a similar way to some medicines used for type 2 diabetes. They slow the breakdown of sugars in the gut so that they are absorbed more slowly into the blood. This helps the body keep blood sugar level in the desirable range. Mulberry does better than prescription drug. Mulberry significantly reduces the fasting blood glucose levels in the diabetic men, indicating that it could be useful for controlling diabetes. It is lowered the men's cholesterol levels. The Indian researcher studies reveals the effect of mulberry on blood glucose levels, on blood lipid levels, that is cholesterol and triglyceride, and on lipid peroxidation in the cell membrane of erythrocyte, that is red blood cells. Their test subjects were conducted for 24 men aged about 20 to 60 with a mild type 2 diabetes. The men were randomized to two groups. One group received two 500 mg capsule of powdered mulberry leaves 3 times daily for the total 3000 mg, that is 3 grams daily, while the other groups received a standard treatment with glibenclamide, the more commonly called glyburide, an antidiabetic drug of the sulfonylurea type. The trial lasted for 4 weeks. The results showed that compared with the glibenclamide, mulberry significantly reduced the fasting blood glucose level in the diabetic men, indicating that it could be useful for controlling diabetes. Mulberry also significantly lowered the patient's total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while significantly increasing the HDL cholesterol, that high density lipoprotein, the good cholesterol. By contrast, glibenclamide only significant effect was to lower triglycerides. White mulberry is an herb. The powder leaves are most commonly used for medicines. The fruit can be used for food either raw or cooked. White mulberry is often tried in order to help treat diabetes. It is also tried for treating high cholesterol level, high blood pressure, the common cold and its symptoms, muscles and joint pain such as from arthritis, constipation, dizziness, ringing in the ears, hair loss and premature graying. The sole use of mulberries in modern medicine is for the preparation of syrup employed to flavor or color any other medicines. Mulberry juice is obtained from the ripe fruit of mulberry. It is a dark violet or purple liquid with a faint odor and a refreshing acid saccharine taste. Source of antioxidant. Antioxidants helps to lessen the damage caused by free radicals, and the entire mulberry plant leaves, stems and fruits contain antioxidants. Research published by the University of Texas Health Science Center credit resveratrol for positive effect on age and longevity. Immune system support. Mulberry contain alkaloids that activate macrophages. Macrophages are white blood cells that stimulate the immune system, putting it on high active alert against health threats. More formal research is appropriate, but mulberry is thought to contain compounds that support balanced blood sugar levels. Traditional medicines in China, Trinidad and Tobago have all used mulberry leaves to promote balanced blood sugar levels. Healthy food. Dried mulberry leaves are great source of protein, vitamin C, potassium, fiber, iron. Best of all, they are available in health food stores everywhere. Enjoy them as a great snack all by themselves or add them to your favorite trial mix. If you live in a warm climate and are lucky enough to have mulberry trees nearby, you can enjoy the fruit fresh off the trees, not as tasty as the fruit. Even the leaves contain protein, fiber and nutrient. Resist redness. Practitioners of traditional Chinese medicine have used mulberry as a remedy for swelling and redness. A recent Romanian study discovered that a curcumin and mulberry leaf combination may be a new lead into natural remedies for the sort of irritation. According to article published in the International Journal of Food Science and Nutrition in 2006, mulberry leaves contain calcium, iron, zinc. Mulberry also contain the antioxidants ascorbic acid, beta carotene, antioxidant inhibits the cellular damage caused by free radicals which get created during the food digestion and smoke and radiation exposure. Regularly consuming food and drinks rich in beta carotene may reduce your risk of cancer according to publication Medical Health. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by increased blood glucose levels. According to the study published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine in 2012, mulberry lowers the blood glucose due to its gallic acid content. In a study published in Diabetes Care in 2007, this effect was shown in the type 2 diabetes patients. In the study published in 2013 in the Biomed Research International, triglyceride and LDL cholesterol level were lowered significantly in the patients given 280 grams of mulberry leaf powder 3 times daily for 3 months. Mulberry leaf has been traditionally used to treat inflammation caused by chronic diseases. Mulberries are delicious and nutritious berries that are enjoyed by the people all over the world. Mulberries are produced from Morus alba tree. It is a naturally sweet fruit that looks quite similar to the blackberry and tastes like grapefruit. Mulberry grows on trees and is cultivated in warm regions of Asia, Africa and America. There are several varieties of mulberry which include red, black and blue versions of the fruit. Mulberry fruit is usually eaten in a dried form. It is a versatile fruit and it can be easily integrated in various recipes. The leaves of mulberry trees contain nutrients that are used as a food for silkworms and grow in a bunches called drupes. It also used for different medicinal properties such as hair loss remedy, as anti-inflammatory and as antibiotic. Nutritional value of mulberry. The mulberry is a powerhouse of nutrients and is an excellent source of protein. 3 ounces of mulberry has 9 grams of protein. Mulberry is a huge source of iron, calcium, vitamin A, C, E and K. The antioxidant found in mulberry repairs free radicals. Resveratrol, an antioxidant, is found plentiful in mulberries. It helps to promote heart health and overall vitality. Mulberry is also rich polynutrient like anthocyanin, flavonoids, lutein, zeaxanthin B, carotene and carotene A. Health benefits of mulberry fruits. Mulberry is considered as an important remedy in Chinese medicine. The health benefits of mulberry can be derived from its juice, which is full of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants as follows. The rich anthocyanin that is found in the fruits has curative properties for certain diseases and is also used as a natural food colorant. Prevent cancer. Mulberries are a good source of resveratrol, a potent phytonutrient that researchers believe to prevent cancer. It contains high level of antioxidant which stunts the growth of prostate cells and tumor growth. Reduce the risk of blood clots and strokes. Mulberries are known to improve the blood circulation and are beneficial as an anti-inflammatory that helps to lower the blood pressure and makes you less susceptible to blood clots and strokes. Mulberry juice may help to alleviate some of the symptoms if you suffer from anemia. In addition to all, these help to prevent heart diseases. Mulberries are considered as a blood tonic. They cleanse the blood, improve its circulation and helps in strengthening the entire system. It enriches the blood in the process while soothing and calming the nerves. It also helps in promoting the metabolism of alcohol. Mulberry are noted to strengthen kidneys and cleanse the liver. Prevent flu and cold. Mulberry is high in vitamin C and flavonoids which makes it natural immune booster and prevent flu, cough and cold and other ailment. Mulberry also helps with gastritis problem and chronic hepatitis. Mulberry juice is extremely beneficial for post-operative patients. it accelerates healing, improves blood circulation and prevents the onset of infection. It is often used as a speed up recovery after birth and is used as a inflammatory solution after surgery. Controls blood sugar. Mulberry contain compounds that support balanced sugar and control blood sugar in the diabetic patients. Flavonoids present in the mulberries prevents the rise and fall of sugar levels in patients, so it is highly effective to prevent complication in the diabetic patients due to sugar level spike. Maintain heart health. Eating mulberries proves beneficial to the heart's health. It strengthens the nervous system and reduce the bad cholesterol, thus preventing the blockage in flow of blood. So, it is highly effective in preventing heart attacks and strokes. Control cholesterol. Eating mulberry on regular basis will keep the cholesterol within the limits. Regular consumption of mulberry improves the digestive system, enhance the appetite level. Mulberry can balance internal secretion and enhance the immunity. It promotes proper body fluid production. It also helps people who suffer from dehydration. People suffering from body fluid deficiency should take 10 milligrams of mulberry daily. Improves vision. Drinking a glass of mulberry juice also improves vision. It has a high content of vitamin A which strengthens our eyesight and relieves the eye strain, which is ideal for the people who spend hours on computer. It also protects eyes from the free radicals, which is the cause of eyesight loss and retina degeneration. Anti-aging properties. Mulberries, like other berries, are rich in antioxidants which are renowned as effective anti-aging agents. It has properties that helps in clearing out dark spot and other blemishes on the facial skin. Rejuvenate skin. The process of melanin synthesis is regulated effectively, allowing you to get the clear and bright skin that you have always wanted. Expert recommended eating the fruits or drinking mulberry tea and juice to rejuvenate your skin. The leaves of its tree can be left in the hot pot of water for 30 minutes or so to treat skin problem as well as colds, sore throat, fever, etc. Treat dry and sensitive skin. Mulberry leaves can be used to treat extremely dry skin by steeping them in coconut or olive oil for a few days and applying the oil onto your skin. It can be used with lotion to treat skin that is dry and prone to irritation. Make skin soft and radiant. You can also find bath salt and soaps made of mulberry to make your skin soft and radiant. The leaves can be used in saunas and hot baths to help open up your pores as well as detoxify your body. Mulberries have properties that can help make your hair healthier. It is well known that this berry promotes hair growth, thus preventing hair loss. It is especially good for cancer patients who have undergone chemotherapy, as the hair follicles are rejuvenated by the substance extracted from the fruits. If you suffer from the hair loss, mulberry extract are a safe and natural alternative to getting chemical or surgical treatment. You can apply the juice onto your hair to promote its growth. Retains hair natural color. The production of melanin in your hair is enhanced by the mulberries. This allows you to retain your hair's natural color. This is great news, especially for people who suffer from premature graying of the hair. Drinking mulberry juice on regular basis can benefit you if you wish to have healthy hair, whether it is graying or not. Mulberry contain different chemicals of medicinal values of leaf, fruit, stem, seed and root portions. The chemical substances are normally extracted into the aqueous media in the form of decoctions and concoctions. The knowledge of medicinal plant is species specific and restricted a few individuals which differ from ancient system, and due to lack of written documentation, many prime remedies are vanishing with generation. The mulberry cultivation would be helpful or encouraging for making index of medicinal plants of the region. Thank you.